A fire needs three elements to burn: fuel, oxygen, and a heat source. The fire must have all three elements to continue burning. If any one element is removed, the fire will be extinguished.
Step 1. Know how fire extinguishers are classified. Class A extinguishers are for common combustibles like paper or wood. Class B are for flammable liquids, and Class C are for electrical fire. Step 2. Inspect the fire extinguisher before use. Read instructions and warnings, check that the pressure gauge needle is in the green portion of the gauge, and check for a clogged nozzle, a broken seal, or other damage. 3. Decide if you'll evacuate or stay and fight the fire. Step 4. Remember the acronym PASS. It stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Step 5. Pull the pin or ring that unlocks the fire extinguisher's operating handle and aim the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Aim at the fire from 6 to 8 feet away. Step 6. Squeeze the extinguisher lever to discharge its contents and sweep the hose back and forth until the extinguisher